Hi all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, I'm going to touch a most requested topic, that is spoken English for kids. How you can help your kids regarding spoken English. Actually, language is something that comes naturally to kids. We don't need to teach them any language. The only thing that is required is to provide the right environment, because children absorb language from their environment. But as we are non-native speakers and we do not have English in our surroundings, we speak some different languages at our homes. So that's why we need to prepare our kids accordingly if you want them to be good English speakers. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you some tips that how you can prepare your kids for spoken English and how you can help them to be fluent in that. If this is something that interests you, so be with me till the end of the video. So here is tip number 1, or the first step that you need to take if you want your child to be a fluent English speaker, and this is building vocabulary. Now how you can do this? You can go for two ways. The first is using flashcards. You can use as many flashcards as possible, or you can just print them from your computer, make your own flashcards and give the names of different objects, different jobs, different things, anything that has a name, you can give it to your child. Show them the pictures, give them the name. Another thing that you can do is to teach vocabulary or to give vocabulary through realia. Realia is simply real life objects like this marker. You can give the full name of this marker. It's not just a marker, it's a board marker. We also have permanent markers. We also have color markers. So remember, when you are giving vocabulary to children, give them the appropriate word for each and everything. And a most important thing, do not use baby language with children. Like if you say water, pani in your language, okay, if you say water, pani in your language, don't give the word mani. Do you want to drink mani? I'm just giving you an example, right? So if the word is pani, let it be pani. Don't change it to a nonsense word, right? If the word is roti, so please let it be roti. Don't call it chochi or anything else, right? So keep the words real, whether it's your native language or it's English. Now the second tip or the second step that you need to take is to work on sentence construction. Now what is sentence construction? You have flourished your child with enough vocabulary. Now how to use that vocabulary? Like if the word is dog, is small, big, or anything else. So these are some different words. How you can connect these words to make a meaningful sentence. This is called sentence construction. And now you will be teaching this to your children by talking to them, by extending your sentences. For example, if the child asks you, what is this? So rather saying it's a marker, be descriptive. Tell him that this is a board marker. It is red in color with a white cap. We can write with it on the board. Would you like to try this? This is how you can extend your sentences. Unless you talk to your child in any language, how would the child get that language? So you need to speak to your children, talk to them in English, talk in front of them in English, so they can absorb the language from your word. Unless they will listen to you or to some other people who are using the same language that you want to make them learn, how would they construct a sentence? How would they know that how the words are joining together or combining together to give some sense, to give some meaning? So in short, tip number 2 is be descriptive. Talk to your children, give them sentence structures, and then you can ask them to describe anything. Then you can ask them some questions, that what happened, that what is this, how do you describe it? So conversation is the key if you want to unlock the door of spoken English. So the third tip is the use of talk about books. Now, what are talk about books? Talk about books are simply the books in which we have some pictures like these and they are relatable to kids. You can give them the chance to look at the pictures and then you can ask some questions related to these pictures. And since these are everyday jobs, everyday works, so it would be easier for them to talk about these and they will also help them in speaking English in their daily life. For example, let's begin with this page. Look at this picture. This is something that happens every day in our homes. For example, first give the child some time to look at the picture and then you can ask some questions to him like what the mother is doing. Now, if he doesn't know that what is this thing called in English, so you can give the vocabulary that these are curtains and the mother is drawing the curtains. Where is the father? The father is in the bed. What is the baby doing? The baby wants to get out of the cot. And you can even make your own questions, but the answers should be in this picture. Here are some questions to help you. The questions that are written in black are the things that you can simply see and answer, that the child can simply see and answer. And these two questions with the red dots are for the imagination purpose. The child needs to imagine the situation and then give the answer. For example, why is David under the bed cover? Here is David. He is under the bed cover. So what could be the reason? It could be he's pretending to be a ghost, or he is playing with his little brother, or he is stuck in the bed cover. So we are also giving an opportunity to child to think that what could be happening at this time. Here you will also find some vocabulary related to bedroom, right? And this is how you can train your children or your students to speak English fluently with the help of these talk about books. This is the time to wake up. Then after waking up, they are getting dressed. Then they are having their breakfast. Then they are going to school or office and so on. I would be uploading some of these pictures to my Facebook page. If you want to have them, so just follow me on my Facebook page. I'm going to share the link in the description box. It is same with the name Homeschooling with Hera. And these were the 3 tips that I wanted to share with you in this video. I shall see you soon with something else. Please give me your feedback. And if you like the video, so do hit a like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I shall see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.